because guess what? My battery was very, very low. It wasn't dead, but it was very low. So I'm like, you know what? Let me charge it up so that we're not rudely interrupted when I start making my lunch too. So I'm hungry right now because I would have made my lunch too by now, and I would have eaten my lunch too by now because my body's like on a clock because I've set a rhythm. I eat at the same 4 times every single day. I don't have my book here today, but in my book are 3 diets. It talks about the fact, thank you, I see those, hold on. I see those, what is it called? Those likes, those hearts. There we go. Hello, who do we have on here? Hello, Annalise. Hello, Yuchi. Welcome, everybody. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this party started. I hope you guys can see back here because I'm gonna be back here. Yeah, you can see what I have. So I'll be making lunch too. Typically for lunch, 1 on an R3 diet when I'm not detoxing, I have either a fresh juice or a fresh smoothie. If it's lunch 2, I have either a fruit meal or a smoothie. If it's lunch, wait a minute, let me backtrack. Breakfast is a fresh juice or a fresh smoothie. Lunch 1 is a fresh smoothie or a fruit meal. Lunch 2 is a fruit meal or a salad meal. And dinner is a cooked meal. So I'm pretty much raw throughout the day and cooked at night on Monday through Thursday. It goes in that order every single day, Monday through Thursday. On the weekends, it's a little more flexibility. We can have 2 anything meals per day on the weekend. That's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So let's go ahead and get started. And the first thing, guys, when I'm making lunch too, is I have my timer so that you can see for yourself that this will not take more than how long? See if you all are paying attention. How long? It will not take more than 10 minutes, baby. 10 minutes. I just started the timer, so I gotta quit talking, and I gotta get busy. I gotta cook some lunch, which really I'm not cooking, so it doesn't require a stove. It doesn't require a pot, a pan. It just requires a knife. Oh, I do want to tell you guys, hopefully, I think everybody has one of these, right? These are the only 2 things that I'm using in my cutting board. So let's go, because I feel pressure. Like on one of those cooking shows. And look at me, I'm still talking. I need to be chopping, and I'm still talking. You got cut off? Okay, well, I'm glad you're back on. All right, so let's start. I need to get going. First up, zucchini. Second up, someone requested that I make something yellow. Add something yellow to my meal. So this is for you. I believe your name is Donna. So thank you for that. Michelle, you requested that I add something purple in, and I had already picked my items. So I added this for you, Michelle, capers, because you told me that you like capers. Bam! I got me some carrots, and that's it. That's what we're making for lunch. So let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. So with the zucchini, this is all I did, chopped off both ends, and then look at here. You guys see that? You probably don't. But I'm basically julienning the zucchini, okay? So that's what we're doing. So let's add some more, because here's the deal. This is not starvation eating. This is nutrient-rich, dense foods. So that means you need more quantity. When you're eating high amounts of fruit and vegetables, they are high, 70 to 90% full of water. So you need to make sure you eat higher quantities of them so that you get satiated, so that you get full. So, okay, I'm still talking and the clock is ticking. I have 10 minutes. I have less than 10 minutes now. Less than 10 minutes. Oh my gosh. And look at this, my battery's still low, but that's okay. That's okay, we're gonna get through this. So here we go. Here we go now. Here we go now. You have to spread love over your food. And so you want to give it good energy. So sometimes I have on music. I know you can't even hear me when my back is turned, so I may as well quit talking. All right, here we go. I think I have 6 minutes left. Here we go. So I have some carrots in there. capers. Oh, look at those hearts. You guys are sending my food love. That's going to help with my digestion. Thank you. I love it. I love it. I love it. So let's get some capers in here. I'm going to add some more zucchini because, as I mentioned, we have to get these calories in. All right. Look at the time. This is how much time I have left. I got to hurry. Yeah! Oh, okay. So I did make the dress. Oh, look at the love my food is getting. I did make the dressing. I just did oil and vinegar and some different seasonings and a little bit of salad dressing, a pre-bottled Bragg's vinaigrette salad dressing. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at that. Ooh, yummers. All right. So now I'm going to pour this into here. The only other thing that I would add, well, let me do that first. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, guys. It smells amazing. So let me plate it because I still have time. Have the plate. Only thing I'm going to add on top are some sesame seeds, just as a garnish. Wow, baby. Look. I have extra time to spare. I think I made my lunch too in about, oh my, like 5 minutes, 6 minutes. So do you guys want to see? Do you want to see? All right, let me show you. Let me flip the camera around so I can show you. Voila, baby, that's lunch. There we go. What do you guys think? Lunch in basically about 5 minutes. So again, in case you're just hopping on, this lunch is julienne zucchini, yellow peppers, carrots, capers, and I did a garnish of sesame seeds. And that's it. That's it. Delish, delish, delish. Yummers. All right. So I'm going to eat. And then in the comment section, I will let you guys know if it was delish, if I highly recommend you make this. And keep in mind, I like to season my foods with fresh and dried herbs. And that's what I did with this. In the sauce, it was just oil, vinegar, Bragg's vinaigrette. And then I added some dried herbs. And so I will taste it and let you guys know. Thanks for joining me as I made lunch too. Until next time, guys, R3, that stands for reverse, retrain, rebuild your body and mind. Bon appetit. Bye.